Hi, boys and girls. It's time to talk about numbers. And we have a special new number this week. And let's see if you can tell me what it is. Can you tell me what it is? It is the number 8. That's right, 8. And over here, let's review the other numbers that we've already talked about. This is 0. You can help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is 8. And remember, sometime, maybe after we get to 10, I'm going to mix them up and see if we can figure them out. But this is 8. It's our number 8. All right. I thought today it might be a good idea to do some sorting with some numbers. And we're just going to do 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So I have all these numbers here, and you tell me where the number would go. If it's at the 6, you'll say top, 7, middle, 8 is bottom, okay? So what number is this? Okay, it's a 7, so does it go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? That's right, it goes right in the middle here with its other friend, another 7. All right, what number is this? It's an 8, so does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? You're right, it goes down here with the other 8. Oh, I wonder what's next. What is this? What number is this? That's right, it's a 7. So does it go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Yell it out. Middle. Good job. All right. Oh, my goodness, what is this? Another 8. So does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? That's right, another at the bottom. Oh, aren't there any 6s? Let's find out. Oh, what number is this? That's right, that's a 6. So does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? You're right, it goes up at the top. Finally, another 6. What number is this? You're right, that's a 7. So should that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Good job, right in the middle. What number is this? That's right, it's a 6. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? That's right, up at the top. And then I have one more. What number is this? That's right, it's an 8. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Good job. That's at the bottom. And we just sorted the 6s, the 7s, and the 8s. And that's a great math skill to learn. Very, very good. Okay, I'm going to leave that there for a minute. And I think we can use our fingers to count up to 8. And we're going to start with this. Remember, this is 0. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have to do this. 6, 7, and 8. Oh, let's try that again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what do we need to do? 6, 7, and 8. It's kind of fun to use our fingers to count, isn't it? All right, and then we're just going to review our 4 last numbers that we talked about. I'm going to use this side. We're just going to review how to write these, okay? And remember, with every one of these, we have a special saying, and let's hope Mrs. Becker can remember them all. Whew, sometimes it's tough. And before I do it on the board, let's do it in the air. So get your pointer finger that you like to write with, and then we're going to draw a line down, take a dive, add a line. That's how you make a 5. All right. Draw a line down, take a dive, add a line. That's a 5. Very good. Okay, this is how it looks. 5s are tricky. They really are. Okay, so draw a line down, take a dive, add a line. That's a 5. I'll do it again. Draw a line down, take a dive, add a line. That's a 5. Okay. Now, some of these other numbers are a little easier. For a 6, we say a curvy line and a circle mix. That's the way to make a 6. Let's try that again. A curvy line and a circle mix. That's the way to make a 6. One more. A curvy line and a circle mix. That's the way to make a 6. So I'll do that here. Start at the top. A curvy line and a circle mix. That's the way to make a 6. A curvy line and a circle mix. That's the way to make a 6. All right. And then the next number is 7. So we did 5, 6. Now we're doing 7. I love to do the 7 because you just say across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. One more time. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So I can do that here really easily. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Okay, now we're on our new number, the 8. All right. So we make an S and then don't wait. Come back up and make an 8. So make an S and then don't wait. Come back up and make an 8. So an 8 is kind of like an S going forwards and backwards, if you think about it a little bit. Okay, so make an S and then don't wait. Come back up and make an 8. All right, let me do that on the board. Make an S. So an S has curves like this. And then don't wait. Come back up and make an 8. Make an S. And then don't wait. Come back up and make an 8. There you go. That's kind of tricky to do it. All right. We'll keep practicing writing our numbers. All right. I think you're ready for our PowerPoint about our numbers, and we're going to yell out the numbers that we see, okay? Oops. Just a second, boys and girls. Let's do this one instead. There we go. Oh, okay. Mrs. Becker messed up again. All right. Did you catch? We'll just start at this one. All right. So what number is this, everybody? That's right. This is a 6. A 6. Oh, what number is this? There you go. That's our new 8. And this one is covered in stars. What number is this? That's our 5. That's right. What number is this? That's right. That's a 7. How about this? Good job. That's a 6. Okay, yell it out. What is this? 5. Awesome. What is this? Very colorful. It's a 7. Good. What is this? Oh, it's 6. Oh, what is this? An 8. Look, it's covered in bows. What is this? 5. What about this? Right in the middle. 7. What's this? 8. There you go. Very good, boys and girls. Sorry about that. Okay, now it's time to do our number game where we have to use both hands now. And we're just going to do, let's do our 4 numbers, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for 5, it's just this. But then for 6, we have to do this. For 7, we have to do this. And for 8, we have to do this. Do you think you can remember? Well, I hope so. And remember, you're trying to match me. That's how you get a point. But if you don't, no big deal. We're just trying to make a game. Okay, so I will say 1, 2, 3, show. You show a number, and then I'll show mine, and you see if you match. Okay, 1, 2, 3, show. All right, are your hands up? I should say, is your hand, or are your fingers up? Maybe I can say it that way. Okay, what number do I have? I have a 5. So if you have a 5, you match. You get a point. If you don't, that's okay. We're just playing a game. All right, 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, are your fingers up? All right. Ooh, what do I have? I have 5, 6, 7. Do you have a 7? If you do, you match me. Okay, put your fingers behind your back. Wiggle those fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. All right, you have yours up, your fingers up. What do I have this time? 5, 6, 7, 8. I have our number of the week. Do you have an 8? If you do, you match. Okay. Wiggle those fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. You put your fingers up. Okay, do you have your fingers up? Okay, what do I have? I have 5 and 6. Do you have a 6? If you do, you match me. Let's do it again. Keep going. All right. 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, are your fingers up? Okay. What number do I have? 5 and 6. Did Did you have a 6? If you did, you matched me. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, put your fingers up. What do I have? 5, 6, 7. Do you have 7? If you do, you match me. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, show. You put your fingers up. You're first. Okay, what do I have up? 5. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, show. Remember, I'm waiting for you to put your fingers up. Okay, what do I have? 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you match me? If you do, you get a point. All right, and remember, you guys can do that game with whoever you want, and everybody has to match you. I'll be posting the Jack Hartman song about the number 8. And thanks for helping me with numbers again. Bye, boys and girls. I will see you later.